Hi everyone, Greg Gura with A&A Masonry. I'm again on another location. We're getting ready to transform this double brick masonry post-war bungalows, we call them. We're going to do a different type of transformation. Rather than doing a stucco or a stone veneer, we're actually going to apply a high coat build water barrier, which is through SurGuard. We're authorized installers of these type of products, very commercial grade, and it really prevents water from penetrating the masonry work when we're freezing and thawing, going through those cycles, causing deterioration, traditionally where we'd have to come in and do some sort of masonry restoration work like tuck pointing, brick replacement. This way we can fill those gaps, we can seal the entire building, the structure, with SurGuard. It'll allow the natural breathability of the masonry product, but it'll prevent any water from getting on the exterior surface. So it'll beautify the house, it'll protect the house for decades and decades to come. We're really excited about this product because in these type of conditions here, it gives the homeowner some sort of option of exterior aesthetic improvement while maintaining the house and preventing from further deterioration. The crew has now just power washed it, so you can see all the dirt, the pollution has been exfoliated from the brick and masonry work. We're going to take some other SurGuard products and we're going to seal some of those gaps where we would traditionally do with masonry or mortar. We're actually going to do with a SurGuard product like an SS101. It's going to seal that up nice and clean so that when we put the coat, the acrylic coat on top of it, it's going to be a beautiful color. We're really excited to see what this is going to look like. So let's watch the crew at work and see the transformation take place.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. As the crew arrive and prepare to get started with the work, they unload the truck, setting up the 3 actions to get done on the home. The first action is to power wash the complete exterior of the home to get all dirt and debris off the surface of the home. The second action is to remove any necessary nails and screws on the exterior of the home so that the SurGuard completely seals the outside of the home when applied. After this is done and the home is also taped off, it is ready to have the SurGuard applied to the complete exterior. The first part of this is to power wash the home. The crew set up the machines and equipment necessary to get this done. The power wash gets done by spraying the home. It is sometimes recommended to use a lower pressure when washing the exterior brick. Pressure washing using 500 to 1000 psi can be common for cleaning masonry. Some contractors can typically use anywhere up to 1500 psi to avoid damage. The ranges of psi above that can still be found to be used, but that's for very experienced pressure washers only. The crews at A&A are very experienced, and the safety and structural integrity of the masonry products on your home are always their prime concern. It is very important for the crew to take their time to make sure that every possible surface of the masonry on the home is fully power washed and clear of any possible debris. Once the masonry sections of the exterior of the home are fully power washed, it's time to move on to the next step of this process. After the power washing is done, you can see they are now taping up the other areas to protect the home before the SurGuard protective coating can be applied. SurGuard is A&A Masonry's proprietary special blend of an acrylic, high-build, breathable, and water-repellent exterior masonry coating. Its unique chemical composition of inert, inorganic pigments and fibers makes SurGuard weather-immune, durable, and unaffected by temperature fluctuations, and it's also an affordable exterior coating. Once the SurGuard protective coating is applied to the home, you can see the color design start to take place. The homeowner selected a color that complemented the porch and stairs as well as the rest of the home. With the SurGuard applied, the brickwork is completely protected and sealed from any more erosion. Also, the sealing helps to reduce street noise that comes in through cracks and holes into the home. This makes the inside of the home much more comfortable for the owner as well. The other point too is that with the bricks and any holes or eroded sections sealed, insects and other unpleasant items will also be kept out of the house.
All right, here we are, the product's finished. This is the after, obviously, we're done. We just finished our second coat of SurGuard. That's a high build coating that we apply to masonry over concrete foundations and brickwork. In this case, the homeowner chose a fabulous color, looks beautiful. The complete house is painted this way with SurGuard. Again, it's a high build coating. What I mean by that is it's actually 3 to 4 times thicker than a typical masonry paint. And that allows it for durability, for strength, water resistance. But the one thing that SurGuard has that other materials similar do not have is the breathability. Any kind of humidity or moisture behind that wall will naturally breathe and be able to escape without it blistering and peeling. So this look will last for decades and decades to come. It's a permanent solution. It allows the homeowner to transition the look. If you remember on the before, we had to deal with some tuck pointing issues, some brick replacement. We had to fill some cracks. Also, the homeowner was concerned about other elements of noise reduction, which this absolutely helps towards reduce the exterior noise getting into the house. The place looks beautiful.
So if you're having issues with your brickwork or foundation, spalling, eroding, or if you're looking to upgrade the masonry products on the exterior of your home, call the professionals at A&A. Ask about SurGuard and have their specialists guide you to the right solution to make your home safe and looking great for all the decades in the future. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.